Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you probably like, what is wrong with this girl? Why is she coming here without a wig on? If you're an old subscriber, you know whenever I come here without a wig on, it's about to be a hair video. Okay, but if you're new, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, make sure you comment down below ideas and everything you want to see on my channel. Let me know. If you want me to buy something and review it, let me know. But today I'm going to be sharing with you guys something I've actually been using for the past 2 to 3 weeks. I did not want to add it to my website because for me personally, I like to use something actually on myself or my family before I actually add it to my website. I feel like it's more ethical to do it that way. I just don't see like trends and then just like decide to like sell it. So I'm like my vendor actually sent it to me like 2 to 3 weeks ago, and I was like, okay, let me just try it out before I actually introduce it to my followers and also to like Lumi Spice customers. So what I'm talking about right now is the headband wigs. Oh my gosh, guys, if you're lazy, okay, if you're a mom, if you're always busy, if you're always running errands and you don't have time to lay down your edges, this is the wig for you. This is not a first impression because I've actually used these wigs for like 2 to 3 weeks now. I've used it in the gym, I've used it in church, and I've used it at work. Like guys, and I got so many compliments. So many people are like, oh my gosh, I love your hair. Where did you get it from? Da, 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 da. And I'm like, I will give them like my business card, you know, just to like keep in touch, but I won't tell them because I actually wanted to try it out to make sure I can actually add it to my website. I've been using these headband wigs, okay? It comes with a headband like so. I'm going to show you guys how I actually apply it and how I like make it versatile so it can like, you know, look like my hair. So first what I do is I lay down my edges. As you can see, you don't even have to do cornrows. You can just like put your hair in a ponytail and then wear it. You don't have to do cornrows. If you have to go, you have to go. Like I have natural hair, and so sometimes I just put my hair in a ponytail and just like put on the wig. But let me show you guys how it looks. So all these wigs are going to be available on lumispice.com. As soon as this video go up, it's going to be available to purchase. Guys, I love these wigs. Love these wigs. Like, love it. So I'm a lazy person, okay? I don't have time. I don't have time. Like laying down your edges is nice, okay, for like a special occasion. But if you just gotta go, like me, I'm always on the go. Always on the go. I'm so busy. So these wigs are so like amazing. These wigs come with like 3 combs in the front, as you can see, and then it comes with a comb in the back. Very, very nice. Like security. I love the fact that you have security, and even if you get into a fight, girl, you're secured. And it also comes with this elastic band right here that also, see, you see that? Look, just trying to pull this is so hard. Like, look, you see that? Yeah, so it comes with a lot of security. Like you're covered in every area. So how I apply the wig is I just wear it like a regular wig. Like so. One thing I also love about this wig, so you don't have to wear like a wig cap. You can just put it on like this and go. It's made for people that are on the go. So like so, look at that. So this comes out like that. I like to push it out a little bit, and then I take this right here. Just be careful because the hair might get tangled up in this thing right here. So just pull the hair out like so, and then take this like so, and then I'm just gonna attach it in the back. So what I do is I tilt my head like this, then I just attach it. You can adjust it based on how tight you want it. Like I usually like make it very tight, like so. I'm not even using a mirror. I'm just using like the viewfinder on the camera to apply it. That's how easy it is to apply. So what I usually do is I just flip this one because I feel like for me the headband is kind of too big for me. So I just like flip it like so. Like so. You can wear it like this. This is absolutely cute. If you're natural, this definitely looks like you blow dried your hair. Like how nice is this? Like, let me just push it up a little bit so like my cornrows don't show. Don't it look like I blow dried my hair? Or am I tripping? It looks like I literally just blow dried my hair and put a headband like so. It's so pretty. So pretty. Let me back up a little bit so you guys can see. How pretty is this? It's so nice. When you purchase the wig, it comes with 4 headbands that you can choose from. You can choose from the colorful flower set. You can choose the nude set. So many options available for you guys. So it comes with 4 headbands in the pack. Like for every wig that you purchase, you get 4 headbands like this. On LumiSpice.com, we also have separate headbands that you can purchase if you want to like just spice it up. Like, how cute are these headbands? Let me try on some for you, just so like if you want to go somewhere, you just want to spice up your outfit. Guys, look at this. I love it. Love it. Woo! Let's try something else. Let's do a whole like headband lookbook, okay? Let's push this right here. You can put the combs. Like for me, I didn't attach the comb, but let's go and attach the comb. But I didn't do that before, that's why it was moving. Okay, so that's one headband like that. And then this one, oh my god, this is so pretty. So cute. It just covers, like if you're the type of person that don't want people to see like the headband and want it to be more like seamless, like your hair look like so nice. So pretty. Look at this. Yeah, this is more like me, okay? I like drama. I like drama. Guys, I love this. Like if you're going to a wedding, this is so pretty for a wedding. It just, I hope you don't outshine the bride, but this is so pretty. Like if you're going for a wedding or like a baby shower, this is so cute. Oh gosh, cute. This is more for like my people that like to make a statement, okay? Cute. This one is in the black. Oh, I love this. Love this. Oh, I'm not done with you guys yet. These headband wigs do not just come in this type of texture, okay? This is the kinky texture. This is kinky straight texture. It also comes in regular straight. Let's try that out. Hold on, let's take this out. See how easy it comes out? So easy. So this is the regular straight. How nice. And by the way, it is human hair, so you could use it for years and years and years. Like, so let's try the regular straight. It also comes in body wave. It also comes in curly. All type of texture that you want, it comes in that as well. You can see. Oh, yes. Let's cover these cornrows a little bit too. This is the 12 inches. If you just want to be, you know, simple. If you're a simple girl and you just I use this for work because, you know, I do have a 9-to-5 job, so I don't want to like overdo it at work. So this is perfect for work. If you have like a 9-to-5 job or more of a conservative job, then I definitely recommend this one. But I'm more of a dramatic girl. How pretty is this? Like, it's so convenient. I don't have to lay my edges. I don't have to lay my frontal down at all. Like, I just wake up and put this on and go. This is the best thing ever created. Like when I saw this, I was like, this is me, this is my life, this is what I need. Okay, this is what I need. So if you like what you see, please head on to LumiSpice.com and make your purchase. Also make sure you check out the description box because I do have a coupon code for my YouTube subscribers. Okay, so you can like save some coins. But guys, I am in love with these wigs. Like, love them so much. Like, if you're lazy like me, this is absolutely for you. If you're busy, if you're a mom, if you got school, if you got work, this is for you. Okay, make sure you check out LumiSpice.com for everything that I mentioned in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you comment down below ideas on anything you want to see on my channel. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
Baby girl, you fine. You fine.